Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a durable paper bag. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need sturdy paper like craft paper or cardstock, which is crucial for strength. Also, have a ruler, a pencil for marking, sharp scissors, and a reliable, strong adhesive ready. These basic tools will form the foundation for your robust and long-lasting paper bag. Let's get started on this fun and practical craft project. Now, let's begin forming the bag's main structure. Start by measuring and folding your chosen paper to create the central body. Next, carefully create the side gussets. Each should be approximately 1.5 inches wide. These gussets provide the bag's depth. Precision in your folds is key for a neat finish. Finally, apply a strong, quick-drying glue to secure all the folded seams, ensuring a firm and lasting bond. To enhance durability, we'll now reinforce the bag's base and add sturdy handles. For the bottom, cut an additional piece of paper or thin cardboard, slightly smaller than the base, and glue it firmly inside. This adds significant strength. For handles, you can use strong ribbon or twist several strips of paper together. Attach these handles securely to the top of the bag, using a robust adhesive or even metal eyelets for extra resilience. With your durable paper bag nearly complete, it's time for the finishing touches and some care tips. First, ensure all the adhesive has completely dried. This is vital for the bag's maximum strength and longevity. Now, feel free to personalize your creation with decorative elements like stamps, drawings, or custom tags. Finally, to maintain their quality and durability, always store your finished paper bags in a dry environment. Enjoy your sturdy, handmade bags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.